I have equity in my home, and I'm a little worried that the Chapter 7 trustee is going to want to sell my home. Now, when I have the trustee review the information about my mortgage and my exemptions, can I also make him deduct costs of sale so that I don't lose my home in Chapter 7? My name is Ron Drescher. I'm an attorney practicing bankruptcy and creditors' rights in Maryland, Delaware, Pennsylvania, and Virginia. And this is a tricky question because legally you're not entitled to deduct costs of sale as what is really like an additional exemption for your homestead in Chapter 7. It's not really permitted. On the other hand, when the trustee looks at a home and analyzes, well, you've got a homestead exemption under state law, and you've got a mortgage that needs to be paid off, and I'm going to have to pay closing costs because as the trustee, I'm going to have to make, those payments at settlement. Then the trustee is going to have to take those into consideration when he or she decides whether or not to sell your home in the bankruptcy case. So sometimes there's a little tussle and a little give and take with the Chapter 7 trustees because they don't like the fact that you're deducting costs of sale in your presentation to the trustee of your assets. But the bottom line is the trustee has to pay costs of sale if he chooses to sell your home. So there can be a little bit of a standoff, but you're not automatically entitled to reduce the purchase price by cost of sale, but it's going to be a thing that will likely work in your favor. My name is Ron Drescher. I'm an attorney practicing bankruptcy and creditors' rights. If you have a question about whether you're going to be able to keep your home in Chapter 7, please pick up the phone and call me. I would love to hear from you.